Well, some of the glue got down inside the, I don't know, tracks, doo-whopper doppers, I don't know what the heck you call these things. Think of it in a minute. Anyway, just have to kind of clean that out a little bit. And then, also, some glue got down in there. I can't quite get it out with a drill bit, but by golly, we can sure get it out with Mr. Dremel. Alright, let's see what that does. Still pretty tight, but by golly, I like for it to be tight. Once I use it a few times, it'll start loosening up. But yep, it's not really the top one, it's really that bottom one. It's, I guess it kind of, oh yeah, now it's going in a lot better. Yeah, but let me tell you what I like about these things. Okay, not only do you have 4 screwdrivers, number 1 and a number 1 Phillips and common, number 2 Phillips, number 2 common, but 5/16 nut driver, 1/4 inch nut driver, and you can tell it's a 1/4 inch because of the shoulder on there. And that's why I like to keep these as long as I can, because you'd be surprised working on air conditioners or garden hoses or whatever the heck may be. As you well know, one of these clamps for a water hose, this fits it perfect. So you don't have to struggle with the common slipping off one way or another. Get a positive grab on it and you can tighten it up. But anyway, this side goes in there great. Locks in there really well. I like that. Alright. The one thing I didn't think about when I was putting this together, it kind of a little bit crooked, but oh well, I don't think the screw or nuts and bolts are going to matter. They're not going to care. Alrighty, well, good luck. I sure hope this helps.